Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to set up your notes on Google Docs. So first you're going to want to go to docs.google.com and you can just type this into whatever search engine. I'm using Safari today, and then from there I'm going to click class notes. The way that you would find this if it's not in your recents would be to go to that template gallery on the top. Then you're going to scroll down. You can use any of these templates for whatever you may need. And what I'm going to show you today is going to help you with honestly many of these. So usually I use this one up here, but this one is also very helpful. I like to go ahead and click it once. Then it's going to load and create that document based on that template. So for this one, I'm going to do history notes. Perfect. Ooh. And for these history notes, I'm going to show you how to switch that picture right there, as well as change the fonts and the headings. So first, we're going to go ahead and click on this. And as soon as you click on that, it's going to allow you to replace that image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search the web because I don't have an image for it. And for the purpose of this video, it's going to be about the Civil War. Perfect. So it's going to show you a lot of pictures from Google that you could use for the Civil War. I'm not finding anything that I would like to add, so I'm going to put map. Refine that search a little more. And I think this one would be the best for my notes to start off. And as you could see, it's just going to immediately replace that. You don't have to do anything else. Then we're going to triple click on this. And up here where there's an A, you can go ahead and I'm going to switch it to a deep red. And to switch all of your titles, you're going to go down on title and then you're going to put update title. And what that's going to do is that's going to switch all of the titles moving forward. Then right here, I'm going to do the same, triple click it. I'm going to do a slightly lighter red. And again, for this one, I'll also show that it'll change the font for the rest of them. So we're going to click on heading 1 again. It's just saving. And then going to put update heading 1. That's going to change the rest of your headings, as you can see right here, including the font and everything. So I'm going to switch this to, let's see, the north, right? And then up here to Civil War. Perfect. So we're going to triple click that again. And let's say for this one, I want to do a really, really deep color. And we're just going to update this heading as well. There we go. And it's just going to switch all of them. So when I go in here and put the south, awesome. It's already going to be all ready for me. And from here, I'm just going to remove this. And instead, you can always insert a horizontal line where it says insert. Perfect. And this is going to give me my notes for today. And then my notes for the next day are going to be set up with those colors that I already chose. Now let's say for the second day, we're going to learn about differences, right? So what I might want to do is I might want to go to insert. You can also add a drawing. So what I would do is probably do a new drawing, and from here you could honestly add an image, which is what I would do. Then I would put Google Images again, the South Civil War. You can go ahead and pick any of those. I'm going to pick this one right here. and you can add text box, you can add a shape. I personally would probably do a call out. Let's say there was a key battle right here. You could always add the name of the battle. You could switch the color to something that's going to get your attention more. You could add a text box and say key battles. Change that font, change the borders if you'd like, and then save and close, and it'll add it directly into your notes. Perfect. And yeah, that's how you can make these templates your own. And then when you're done, you could also go ahead and copy this link. Right here, you can make it available to anyone with the link. You could email it to people. You could also click file, and download it, or email it from here, or even share it from here. Go ahead and publish it if you would like. I personally usually just go ahead and share it from here as a link, and they can add comments, emojis, or suggest any edits to your notes. Yeah, that's how you use Google Docs to take notes on any of your classes.